All right, let's talk about time. Everybody wants to know how they can get more time in the day, how they can create two of themselves. Well, we can't do that, but there's ways that you can leverage yourself to create more time. So a lot of the people I speak with always come with, hey, I don't have enough time to do business development, for example. And the reality of it is you're just not leveraging your time in the proper way. And so when you think about it, with some of the activities that we're doing, with business development specifically, you're cold calling. So let's say we're cold calling, you get 40 hours a week. That gives us, 40 touch points, sometimes if we get on these hour-long calls. Well, imagine if you were leveraging some sort of automation that can get you 40,000 views. Now, not all 40,000 people are going to become customers, but you're certainly going to get more interaction and engagement from something like that than picking up the phone and always cold calling. So what we want to do is focus on what are the little things that we can do in our business that really leverage our time. And this is where automation comes into play. We should be automating our lead generation. We should be automating our follow-up. And if we're doing this properly, we're still creating a deep connection with our audience. And that's another common myth. And that's a whole nother video topic that we can talk about. But, the myth is that I can't develop this relationship without being face-to-face, right? And that's what we want to help you overcome. So how this all works is really once you create something and set it up and then you leverage automation, you have something that's starting conversations for you over and over and over again without any of your work. And then what happens is you actually get on the phone with highly qualified people, and that's when our time is leveraged. And that's what gets you off the revenue roller coaster, is having a consistent automated process that really leverages your time so that you can grow your business efficiently. So you really do have enough time. And the best way to duplicate yourself is to leverage automation. This is Donnie Gupton. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know how you're leveraging yourself. We'll talk to you soon.
Yonder.